हेलो दोस्तों, पी के स्मार्ट मोटिवेशन की एक नई वीडियो में आप सबको खुश आमदीद। तो चले वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
The umpire wants the bat back at the crease full stop. The Peshawar High Court has for the second time overturned the Election Commission's regrettable order stripping the PTI of its iconic election symbol ahead of the upcoming general election full stop. The decision, delivered just in time, reverses one of the severest handicaps imposed on the PTI ahead of the upcoming elections full stop. The Election Commission of Pakistan had argued that, based on alleged irregularities in the intra-party election held by the PTI last month, it was entitled to take the symbol from the party full stop. However, the PHC ruled yesterday that this was not a good enough reason to deny a political party its primary means to collect votes on polling day full stop. The PTI is entitled to the election symbol strictly in terms of sections 215 and 217, read with any other enabling provision of the Election Act, 2017 and Election Rules, 2017, the short order read, with the court further ruling that the Election Commission of Pakistan's earlier order was illegal, without any lawful authority, and of no legal effect full stop. It is worth pointing out that the Elections Commission of Pakistan's decision to strip the bat would have rendered the PTI's candidates able to contest the elections due on 8 February as independents only full stop. Such a severe penalty would kill any party's election prospects, especially since multiple candidates vie for the same party's ticket in most constituencies, and it is impossible for the party's voters to know which of the people named on the ballot are being formally backed by their party in the absence of the familiar election symbol against anyone's name full stop. In case enough voters are confused, which is quite likely, considering the variety of candidates on the ballot paper, this could mean the difference between a large victory and an overwhelming defeat full stop. It seems the PHC took cognizance of the severity of these consequences while striking down the Elections Commission of Pakistan's order in its latest ruling full stop. As such, it is the correct decision full stop. As was pointed out in the arguments in court over the matter, no party has ever been made to contest elections without its symbol except for under a dictatorship full stop. It is a shame that matters came to this comma, but the court has thankfully ruled in favor of a fair contest full stop. The Pakistan Muslim League, PTI, and Pakistan People Party now have a fight to win full stop. It is time to kick off the campaigns in earnest full stop. The end full stop.
अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर लाजमी करें और बेल आइकॉन को भी दबा